Hello there. Yes, welcome. Back with the second regular Sudoku in this today's newspaper of Wednesday, December the 9th, 2020. The second one, come on, is a medium Sudoku. Let me focus. This one, yes. And this one will be a number 1990. Yes, almost 2000 with 10 to go. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 2 is 13, 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 24, 26 total. Yes. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, in additional, this will be a 2 stars. Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. For 5 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing number is a 7. We see here 707 in those 3 boxes. Here 707 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And then 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, only place for a 7 should be there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the middle row, only place for a 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 places for 7 should be here or there. We see there 707 there, 7 should be here, 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for an 8 should be there. Then 8, 8, 8, 8. How about the 1 in this column, 1 in the column next? So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, only place for 9 should be there. Then I can continue with the 9. 3, 1, 3, 5. All right. One, two, 2, 3. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the middle column. 1, 2, and 3 are missing. 4 and the 5. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5 are missing in the middle column. I see here 2 and a 3, so no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. One box left in the middle column for the number 5. Alright. Yeah. Let me see. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for a 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Two missing numbers in this row, the 5 and the 3. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 8 and 4. These two numbers are reserved in the last row for the numbers 2 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those for you. The other pair should be 8 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them for you. 8 and the 4. That means, let me see. No. 2 numbers left. In the third column, the 1 and the 9 are missing. 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 9. How about yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for a 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in the second column. The 2 is missing and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. Let me mark those two numbers, 9 and 2. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see there 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means 1 in one of those two boxes in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 is missing also. We see here 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 and the 1 and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. So the 6 and the 4 goes as a pair in those two boxes. So this should be a 1. With a pair here a pair. The other pair in the first column should be the 2 and the 8. The 2 and the 8. Nope, 8 we have. 2 and the 1 are missing. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. That means that 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So on the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in the third row for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this is going to be 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 3. Now we have an 8 here. So this is going to be 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be a 4. 2 boxes left in the last column. The 3 is missing and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 and a 1 are left in the first row. Cannot fill this yet. No. How about these two numbers? The 9 and the 4. Nope, 4 we have. 9 and 8 are missing. 9 and 8 in this column. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 9 goes there. So we have an 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So in the row above. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. How about those 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. And the 6 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 3 numbers in this column? 1, 4 is missing. 1, 4 and 9 is missing. We see here 9 in this column, here 9 in the middle column, so in the column next, only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 2. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4. Now we have a 2 here, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 3. 2, 2, right. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only place for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this is going to be 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. Now we have a 6 here. So this is going to be 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great. A medium, a Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later in a minute with the last regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. See you then. Bye bye for now.